Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best 72-inch dog gates available in the market, the Toddleroo by North State's Deluxe Décor Baby Gate. Whether you're a pet owner or a parent, this gate promises security and convenience. Let's explore its features and benefits in detail. First off, let's talk about its design and build. The Toddleroo by North States is crafted with safety and durability in mind. It's a hardware-mounted gate, meaning it's securely fixed to your walls, which is perfect for high-traffic areas like stairways or around fireplaces. This gate stands 30 inches tall and spans from 38.3 to 72 inches wide, making it versatile for various doorways and openings. It's made of sturdy metal with a matte bronze finish, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your home decor. One of the standout features is its one-hand operation. You can effortlessly open the gate with just a push, and it automatically closes securely thanks to its triple locking system. This feature is not only convenient but also adds an extra layer of safety, keeping your pets and children secure. Moreover, the gate can swing both inwards and outwards, allowing you to configure it based on your needs. It even has an option to stay open when not in use, which is handy during busy times at home. Installing the Toddleroo gate is straightforward, although it does require drilling. Once installed, it's rock solid. The gate can also accommodate up to 6 additional 15-inch extensions, allowing you to expand it to fit wider spaces up to a whopping 162 inches if needed. Whether you have a standard doorway or a uniquely shaped opening, this gate adapts to your home's layout, providing flexibility without compromising on safety. Many users have highlighted its durability and how it withstands the test of time, which is crucial for a gate that sees daily use in a family environment. In conclusion, the Toddleroo by North State's 72 inches wide Deluxe Décor Baby Gate is a top choice for anyone looking to secure their home without compromising style or functionality. Its robust design, easy operation, and adaptability make it a standout product in its category. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique.